Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to add a brand new email address to your Zoho account. Whether you're managing work, personal, or multiple business emails, Zoho makes it simple to keep everything organized under one profile. And the best part is you can do it all in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head to the Zoho login page. Enter your username and password, then sign in. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Zoho dashboard. This dashboard is like the control center where you can access all your Zoho apps and settings. Now, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice your profile icon. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select My Account. This is the place where you can manage everything related to your Zoho profile, including security, preferences, and of course, your email addresses. Once you're inside the My Account section, make sure you're on the Profile tab. If not, simply click Profile from the sidebar. Scroll until you reach the section labeled Email Address. This is where all the email magic happens. Go ahead and click on Add Email Address. A prompt will pop up asking you to type in the new email address you want to add. Take your time and make sure you type it correctly, because any mistake here can cause issues later during verification. After you've entered the email, click Add. Now comes the security step. Zoho will immediately send a one-time password, or OTP, to the new email you just added. This ensures that you truly own the email and are authorized to connect it. Open your inbox for that email, find the message from Zoho, and copy the OTP code inside. Head back to your Zoho account window, paste the OTP into the verification box, and click Verify. If everything checks out, your new email will instantly appear in the email address section of your Zoho profile. And just like that, you've successfully added a new email address to your Zoho account. It's quick, secure, and a great way to keep all your communications running smoothly without missing anything important. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more easy step-by-step tutorials.